GDP or the gross domestic product. Whenever we read or hear this term, तो एक ही लाइन सुनते हैं that GDP is the total value of goods and services produced within a domestic territory during a fixed period. And honestly, यही पे लोग zone out हो जाते हैं क्योंकि ये term boring है. So let's understand this boring word in an interesting manner today. Simple language में GDP हमें ये बताता है कि एक फिक्स टाइम में एक टेरिटरी के अंदर कितनी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी हुई जिसमें मनी या पैसा एक्चुअली इन्वॉल्व था. Because in case of GDP, usefulness does not matter. Only money matters. So the rule is simple here. If something is produced or done but no money is exchanged, GDP does not count it. इस पॉइंट को क्लियरली समझने के लिए कुछ बेसिक टर्म्स को समझना ज़रूरी है. Let's start with the most important ones first. Goods and services. See, goods वो चीज़ें होती है जो प्रोड्यूस होती है और मार्केट में बेची जाती है. Example, imagine a household making pickles or achars. If they make it only for their own family, because of course we love achars, then GDP does not count it. But the moment these achars are sold in the market, they become goods for the economy and they are part of the GDP. On the other hand, a service is an activity that is performed for payment. मान लीजिए आप अपनी फेवरेट डिश घर पे बना के खाते हैं. In that case, GDP will not count it. But at the same time, आप वही डिश को जब रेस्टोरेंट में जाके ऑर्डर करके खाते हैं, then it becomes part of the GDP. क्योंकि वहाँ पर मनी इन्वॉल्व है. आपने उस फूड का पैसा दिया है. तो नो पेमेंट मीन्स नो सर्विस, at least in the eyes of GDP. For GDP, it is an activity that is performed and paid for. Now the second thing is domestic territory. GDP does not care who you are. Indian, foreigner, Indian company, foreign company, all that is irrelevant. If production happens inside the geographical boundary of a country, that will be counted in that country's GDP. For example, हमारे ब्रिटानिया के बिस्किट्स और नेस्ले जो कि एक दूसरे देश की कंपनी है, अगर हमारे देश में मैगी बनाती है, दोनों ही इंडिया की GDP में काउंट होगा. थर्ड इज टाइम पीरियड. GDP is actually measured year by year. In India, it is measured from 1st April to 31st March, which is our financial year. So it basically tells us how much economic activity happened during this time period in the country. Reason is simple. सरकार को बजट प्लान करना होता है, पब्लिक स्पेंडिंग करनी होती है एंड उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हमसे टैक्स कलेक्ट करना होता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ईयर. So GDP follows the same time frame. So whenever you hear the term GDP now, just remember three things. Number 1, money must be involved. Second, production must happen within a territory. And third, it must be within a fixed time period. That is what GDP actually measures. Now that you know what GDP actually counts, do let us know in the comments what part of your life does not show up in the GDP numbers.